my opinion about the whole environmental crisis in South Florida is that some of it is, really dire and end of the world stuff, but a lot of the day-to-day information, and I don't want to say propaganda, but a lot of the writing and journalism about it is, verges on hysteria. And there are things we don't know. I'm not trying to deny it, because I think it's really true and it's really coming. And you have to ring the bell loudly to get people to kind of wake up to make changes, because we're so far behind down here. But I think there are things, there's a lot you can do. Now, if the premise is that all of this is going to be under 30 feet of water, forget it. All of Florida will be underwater. And that'll probably happen at some point, in 100 years or 200 years. But the other mitigating, there's a lot you can do to mitigate the effects of flood. I mean, Venice has been living with flooded streets for 500 years or more. And we already see the way we're adapting. And the 1%, the wealthy, will just, they'll go to Aspen or wherever other houses. But the rest of the people are going to have to deal with it. 90% or 99% who aren't rich enough to just helicopter out. So I think there are so many things you can do. And until you get a government, or restructure the governments that are here. There are all these different municipalities. They don't even talk to each other. The county is divided from the state, et cetera, et cetera. And the state's had miserable leadership. And I'm hoping it changes with this new governor. But there's a lot to undo before they can even begin to do the creative, proactive kinds of things that need to be done.